Let's look at this question. The sum of first 30 terms of an arithmetic progression is 40. The sum of its first 80 term is also 40. Find the sum of its 31st and 80th terms. 31st and 80th terms. Okay. So what we are given is sum of first 30 terms of an arithmetic progression. So it is going to be nothing but 30 by 2. The formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. So it is going to be 30 by 2 into 2a plus 29d. It is equal to 40. So we can cancel out this. This will be 15 and 40 and 15 will get cancelled out. This is going to be 8 and 3. So this is going to be nothing but 6a plus 29 times 3 is nothing but 90 minus 3 87. 87d is equal to 8. This is our first equation. Okay. Applying the same formula in the sum of 80 terms, so it is going to be nothing but 80 divided by 2 into 2a plus 80 minus 1 79d is equal to 40. So solving this, we will get this is equal to 14, 40 and 40 will get cancelled out. So 2a plus 79d is equal to 1. Okay, this is our second equation. Our first equation is 6a plus 87d is equal to 8. If we multiply our second equation by 3, we will get 6a plus 79 times 3. 70 into 3 is 210 and 9 into 3 is 27. So 237 t is equal to this is going to be nothing but 3. So if we subtract this is our equation 2 and our equation 1. If we subtract equation 1 from equation 2, we will get nothing but 150d is equal to minus 5. So d is nothing but minus 5 by 150, which is going to be minus 1 divided by 30. So we got d as 1 minus 1 by 30. So let us find a. Let us put d into our first equation, which is let us put d in our second equation because it will be easier, which is 2a plus 79 into 79 by 30. So it's minus 79 into minus 1 by 30, so it will become minus 79 by 30. This is equal to 1. So 2a is going to be nothing but 1 plus 79 by 30, which is going to be nothing but 79 plus 30 divided by 79 plus 30 divided by 30. Okay, so 109 by 30. A becomes 109 by 60. So what we are asked to find is the sum of 31st and 80th term. So the 31st term would be a plus 30d and 80th term would be a plus 79d. Okay, so this is going to be nothing but 2a plus 190. Oh sorry, one second, 190. Okay, so let us put in the values. 2 into 109 divided by 60, we got 109 from here. Okay, and plus 109 into minus 1 by 30. So this is going to be nothing but 2 by 30. So this becomes 109 by 30 minus this will be nothing but 109 divided by 30. So our answer is nothing but 0. You can also do this question by applying the simple concept that if the sum of first pth term of a geometric